Hi everyone. Today we are going to see one concept called Mangler function. So this is one of the important concept in cryptography and network security. So Mangler function, it is a vital component of DES, that is data encryption standard algorithm. It is a data encryption is commonly referred as the F functions in DES. F function is a PCL structure, PCL cipher structure. PCL cipher structure is a concept. Who created this thing is PCL. The name of the created is PCL. So the name is called PCL structure. What is the concept behind this PCL structure is the function work on blocks and rounds. The two it will be divided into whatever any number of bits it will be divided into two. One is the right side half, another one is the left side half. The way it will be divided and the operation will be for from it's not for a single round, it go for a multiple rounds. So these two concept is come under physical cipher structure. This DES is come under physical cipher structure. So that's why we call it as a F function in DES. It combines data bits and key bits to produce the complex output. Based on the data bits and key bits, it produces a complex output in this DES. And also it improves the security because of each and every run it gives a random input and output and generate n number of values and multiple values so that it improve the security and randomness in encryption. Without the Mangler function, the DES should be a weak or easily predictable. So Mangler function is one of the heart of DES for give more secure and improve the confidentiality. The purpose of Mangler functions is that it uses confusion and diffusion technique. Confusion is making a relationship between key value and ciphertext. Diffusion is influence the input bits. So it's a combination of output and input with the help of key values that is come under confusion diffusion thing. Here, in a small input changes, input will be changed. It will be gives the more impact in the output. So that is one of the objective of this particular process. So it gives difficult for attackers to predict the patterns. It plays a vital role in cryptographic attacks. So overall, this the Mangler method gives more strength to the DES algorithm. So it gives 10x strength to the particular DES algorithm. Question of Mangler function. So DES algorithm using 16 rounds with the same sequence of operations that repeatedly apply the input and output. The Mangler function is applied in each and every round. Each and every Mangler function will be processed and produce a different output with the help of different input. And how it will be perform this operation with the help of key values and plain text values with the help of XOR operation. So that is one of the thing. After XOR operation, the left and right halves are swapped with key value of physical structure used in DES. This swapping ensures that both halves of data are processed equally over multiple rounds. The same sequence will be repeated and follows up to 16 rounds, and finally we get one value that is called as final ciphertext of the particular plain text. So this is a flowchart about the Mangler function. So this is a six steps of Mangler function. The first it takes as a 32-bit right half of the data block is the input. So and also the key value is 48-bit. So it will be XOR this key value and plain text. We derive one different value that will be repeated in the each and every round. So let's see one by one. The first 32-bit will be goes to expansion box. That 32-bit will be expanded into 48-bit with the help of repeating the key values in the E box. So how it will be repeated? It repeat allows mixing of 48-bit round key value and neighboring bits are influence each other. It will be generate some random number nearby. So 32-bit is converted into 48-bit with the help of E box. After converting in the 48 bits, the key value of 48 bit will be XOR with plain text of 48 bit. So after XOR, it gives more secure in that particular step. It provides a key dependency to encryption, so it give more secrecy to the algorithm. So after the X, both bits are XOR, it will be go to the S box, that is the substitution box. That 48 bits will be converted into 32 bit with the use of S box. So S box, it will be input will be a 48 and the output will be a 32 bits. So it gives the linear relationship between, it prevents the linear relationship between input and output. So that is to add one additional security to the particular step. After completing the S box, it go to the permutation box. Here the permutation box, 32-bit X box, sorry, with 32-bit X box output is the input of the input for the permutation box. Here no bits are removed or added, but its bits will be rearranged systematically. We have some certain logic. That logic it will be rearranged. Bit position will be rearranged. It enhances the diffusion across the rounds. This is the final step of Mangler function. So it will be gives in 16 rounds. After getting end of the 16 round, it gives the final outcome of the 32 bits. That another 32 bits and another half of 32 bits will get a 64-bit ciphertext, that is the input of for the plain text of particular input. What are the applications of this Mangler function? So mainly used in DES. So without the Mangler function, DES is weak and predictable. So that it's important for this DES, and it plays a key role in block cipher encryption technique. It mainly used in banking system, that is ACM transaction pin and data security, and it helps the government and defense communication system and applied in telecommunication system to encrypt transmitted data. So these are the few applications of this Mangler function or Mangler effect. Thank you.